Welcome to all. In this video, we are going to see about how to work with Weka tool. To open Weka tool, type Weka here, then click Weka app. It opens Weka tool. Initially, Weka Kai Chooser window is opened here. Click OK. Weka is an open source tool. It is used for implementing machine learning algorithms and apply them to the real world machine data mining problems. It was developed by Waikato University in New Zealand. The Weka tool contains 5 different applications. Explorer application. It is an environment to discover the data. Experimenter. It is an environment to make some experiments and perform statistical tests on the learning models. Knowledge flow is a Java Bean interface. It is used for tuning machine learning experiments. Workbench. It contains all the 3 above applications in a single window. Simple CLI. It is a command line interface used for running Weka functions directly. Initially, we are going to see about Explorer window. So just click Explorer button. It opens Explorer window, Weka Explorer window. It contains various tabs: pre-process, classify, cluster, associate, and so on. Initially, the pre-process tab is enabled here. Then open file, open URL, open DB are used for loading the dataset in the Weka Explorer window. Open file is used for loading the dataset from our system. Open URL is used for loading the dataset from the internet. Open DB is used for loading the JDBC dataset as a dataset. So it contains various areas: current relation, selected attribute, attributes, and visualize areas. Now we are going to open the dataset. Now I am going to open default dataset which is available in the Weka tool itself. So just to open file, select C:, because our Weka tool is installed in C:, then program files, then Weka, then data. Here these are the various datasets, default datasets available in the Weka tool. All datasets are available in the format of .arff attribute relation file format. This is the expansion of .arff. Now I am going to open the weather.nominal arff dataset. Just select the dataset and click open. Now the dataset is opened in the Weka Explorer window. Now the other tabs are also enabled. After loading the dataset, other tabs are also enabled. Here the filter option is available. Filter is used for choosing various filters involved in the Weka tool. Current relation. This area specifies about the relation name. That is, the relation name is weather.symbolic and it contains totally 14 instances, 5 attributes. Then attributes area, it determines about what are the attributes available in the dataset. The dataset contains 5 different attributes. They are outlook, temperature, humidity, windy, and play attribute. So when we select one particular attribute, the attribute information is available in the selected attribute area. It contains the name of the attribute and the missing values which are present in the attribute. Suppose this attribute contains or the attribute missed some values, then missing values are counted here. Then distinct, which indicates about the what are the possible values available in the particular outlook attribute. What are the possible values for the particular outlook attribute? Sunny, overcast, rainy. These are the three possible values for the outlook attribute. So the distinct here is 3. Then the data type of the attribute is nominal attribute. It is a categorical, that is nominal. Then unique, that is 0% is unique, because these three attributes, these three values only repeatedly present in this outlook attribute. So the next information is the sunny, overcast and rainy. The count determines about the number of times the particular value present in the data set. Sunny means it presents 5 times in the data set. Overcast, it present 4 times in the data set. Rainy, it present 5 times in the data set. Suppose we want to see that information in our data set, means click edit here. Here the data set is opened. So this is the relation name weather.symbolic. So these are the various attributes. The type of the attribute is displayed here. Here the play attribute is bold because it is a class attribute. For values of the class attributes are determined by these 4 attributes: outlook, temperature, humidity and windy. So here the outlook attributes, sunny is presented 4 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times sunny is present. Then overcast is presented 4 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then rainy is present 5 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. Suppose we want to change any values from here, means then click here. We can change the values also. By this time I am not changing the value. Suppose we want to add more instances, means using this add instance button we can add instances to this data set. Just click cancel here. So these count values determines number of times the particular values are present in the instances. So among the 14 instances, sunny is present 5 times, overcast is present 4 times and rainy is present 5 times. So similarly for the other attributes, temperature, the possible attributes for the temperature are hot, mild, cold, cool. Then hot is present 4 times, mild is present 6 times, cool is present 4 times. For humidity, the possible values are high and normal. High is present 7 times, normal is present 7 times. So there is no missing values in the humidity also. There is no uniqueness. Then windy, true or false values. True is present 6 times and false is present 8 times. Play attribute, only having the values yes or no. Yes is present 9 times and no is present 5 times. So these are the distinct values for this yes is, play is true only. Finally, the visualize area. So for the class attribute play, what are the values for the each attribute? For example, outlook attribute. The outlook attribute, sunny is present 5 times, overcast is present 4 times, rainy is present 5 times. So for sunny, among 5 times, among 5 entries, number of entries for yes and number of entries for no, that is determined in the visualize area. So here sunny is, when we move the cursor, it displays about the particular value. Sunny is present 5 times. Among 5 times, 3 times no is present, 2 times yes is present. No indicated about the red color, yes indicated about the blue color. So here the Sunny is present 3 times, sorry, yes is present 3 times for Sunny, no is present 2 times for Sunny. So for overcast, all overcast values are yes only. For rainy, among the 5 rainy values, 3 times yes is present, 2 times no is present. So shall we check these values in our data set? So for rainy, 3 times yes is present, 2 times no is present. So here we can check for rainy option. For first rainy value, yes. For second rainy value, yes. 2 yes is there. Then for this rainy value, yes. So the other 2 rainy values are only no. So totally among the 5 rainy values, 3 yes is present and 2 no is present. So that is indicated about the visualize area. Similarly for the other attributes, temperature attributes, for hot, 4 entries are hot attributes. Among the 4 entries, 2 contains yes value and 2 contains no value. Similarly for mild, among the 6 entries of mild, 4 entries are yes, 2 entries are no. For cool attribute, among 4 cool attribute values, 3 entries are yes and one value is no. So from the visualize area, we can determine the number of yes and number of no for the particular values for the attributes. So this is how to work with the data set. I hope you will enjoy with this video. Thank you.